Camping is about adventure, relaxation, and connecting with nature. But let's be honest, having the right gear can make or break the experience. Today, we're diving into 10 insanely cool camping inventions that take outdoor comfort, convenience, and survival to a whole new level. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Camping doesn't have to mean frustrating setups. The Taily inflatable blow-up tent inflates in just 60 seconds with a manual pump. No poles, no hassle. Its puncture-resistant air poles add durability, making it sturdier than traditional tents. At 7.54 feet by 7.54 feet by 5.91 feet, this large tent comfortably fits 2 sleepers and seats up to 4 for activities, perfect for family adventures. Made with 150D Oxford cloth and PU coatings, it delivers UPF 50+ protection, shielding you from sun and rain. Stay cool and mosquito-free with breathable mesh layers, while zippered doors fully seal at night. Lightweight at just 9.5 pounds, it packs small into a 23-inch storage bag, perfect for easy transport. Number 2. Introducing the Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank, a remarkably versatile 10,000 mAh external battery designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday nomads. With its latest upgrade, the device now offers a USB-C output and 20-watt fast charging capability that powers your iPhone 15 to 65% in just 30 minutes, all while charging up to 3 devices simultaneously using multiple input and output methods. This innovative charger employs a safer lithium-cobalt battery with 50% more cycling life than standard lithium polymer options, ensuring reliability and longevity. Compact and lightweight, it can recharge an iPhone 8 over 3.6 times, an iPhone 14 Pro 2.2 times, and an iPad Air completely once. Crafted with flame-retardant ABS and PC materials and protected by waterproof silicone, its rubberized finish provides a comfortable grip. With IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof design, dual flashlights, and a compass carabiner, Blaver is your ultimate outdoor power companion. Experience power on every adventure. Number 3. With its triple charging options, the Grisho electric portable water filter is a true game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. This versatile unit features 3 charging methods: solar, USB, and hand crank, ensuring you can always filter water even when off the grid. Equipped with a 2-in-1 USB Type-C cable for fast and reverse charging, it can even power your phone during emergencies. Fully charged in just 2 hours, the filter runs continuously for up to 5 hours, delivering a purification capacity of 230 liters. Its filter cartridge cleans up to 1,000 liters of water, while the electric system handles 30,000 liters, keeping 5 people supplied for 20 to 25 days. Additional LED lighting with SOS mode enhances your survival kit. Weighing only 15.8 ounces, its compact design makes it ideal for camping, backpacking, and hiking adventures, letting you enjoy worry-free, clean drinking water anywhere. Enjoy reliable outdoor hydration daily. Number 4. Experience ultimate comfort and versatility with this 3 to 4 season sleeping bag, designed for indoor and outdoor adventures such as camping, backpacking, and hiking. This sleeping bag features a skin-friendly 100% polyester lining that remains soft even on rugged terrain, while its high-quality 290T polyester exterior promises exceptional durability. Engineered to perform in all weather conditions, its waterproof, double-layer construction locks in warmth in near-freezing temperatures and keeps moisture at bay during wet conditions. With dimensions of 33 by 86.6 inches and a lightweight design of approximately 4 pounds, it offers flexibility and ease of transport. 2 units can be zipped together for a larger sleeping space for couples or friends, or can be fully unzipped to serve as a comfortable picnic blanket. Cleaning is remarkably effortless, whether by hand or machine wash. and the included compression sack, straps, and roll control design simplify storage and portability for any outdoor journey. Number 5. Experience efficient outdoor cooking with the 2-burner propane camping stove, a reliable companion for adventures in the wilderness. Featuring a dual-burner setup, this stove allows simultaneous cooking of 2 pans or pots up to 10 inches in diameter, maximizing cooking efficiency and saving valuable time. With a total output of 17,200 BTU, 8,600 BTU per burner, it delivers powerful performance for faster cooking and enhanced fuel efficiency. The innovative folding design provides exceptional portability, measuring just 11.4 by 10 by 4.5 inches when folded, and includes a convenient carry handle and storage bag for effortless transportation. Constructed from high-quality cold-rolled steel, this outdoor gas stove is built to endure high temperatures and withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Removable grates offer added stability to keep pots securely in place, while an easy setup process ensures simple operation with a counterclockwise turn of the knob to quickly ignite the stove. Number 6. Introducing the MoreCore 40,000 mAh rechargeable camping fan, engineered for ultimate outdoor cooling and convenience. Featuring 9 distinct wind speeds, including an impressive 16 feet per second option on speed 8 and a natural wind mode on speed 9 that mimics gentle breezes. The fan extends up to 31.5 inches and folds compactly to 7 inches, making portability effortless with a hidden handle and storage bag. Powered by a robust 40,000 mAh battery, it operates continuously for up to 5 days at the lowest speed and charges mobile devices via dual 5 volts, 3 ampere USB AC ports during power outages. The updated brushless motor ensures quiet performance below 25 decibels, while the integrated colorful lights and LED digital display create a relaxing ambiance. A user-friendly timer with 1, 2, 4, and 8-hour settings, plus auto oscillation and adjustable tilt, delivers effective cooling for wide areas. Unmatched durability and a sleek design complement every adventure. Ensure ultimate outdoor comfort. Number 7. Introducing the Azoito Mini Air Conditioner, a compact and rechargeable personal air cooler, engineered for efficient, refreshing airflow in indoor and outdoor settings. Equipped with a powerful high-torque motor, a 5-blade fan, and dual ultrasonic nebulizers, it transforms hot air into a cool breeze, ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 customizable spray modes, no mist, low mist, and high mist, offer tailored cooling, while the 1,000 milliliter water tank accommodates ice cubes for enhanced performance. A built-in 6,000 mAh battery delivers up to 6 hours of continuous operation on low speed, and recharging is simple via USB-C or a power bank. With 3 adjustable wind speeds maintaining quiet performance below 50 decibels, the unit is ideal for bedrooms, dorms, tents, cars, and outdoor events. A portable design with a soft lifting rope ensures effortless transport. A vibrant 7-color nightlight and timer settings further enhance comfort and ambiance during any adventure, for every journey. Number 8. Experience ultimate relaxation with the Wakapo Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa, a portable and versatile outdoor couch designed for backyard gatherings, beach days, camping trips, picnics, and music festivals. Inflation is effortless with no pump required. Simply whisk the lounger through the air and trap the incoming air by closing the sleeve opening as directed. Its patented pillow-shaped headrest offers superior support for the upper back and neck, ensuring comfortable lounging during long breaks. Advanced anti-deflation technology guarantees that once the lounger is fully inflated, it remains airtight for at least 5 to 6 hours, providing continuous comfort throughout the day. A practical carry bag, a secure stake with a built-in loop for windy days, and an integrated bottle opener complete the package, adding utility and convenience to travel and leisure. Embrace outdoor adventures with a perfect blend of innovative design, comfort, and easy portability in one exceptional inflatable seating solution guaranteed to extend your leisure. Number 9. Experience premium support with the HighContour Camping Pillow, an ultralight inflatable solution designed for neck and lumbar comfort on the go. An upgraded design incorporates a separate bladder made from thickened TPU material that effectively prevents air leaks, ensuring durability, verified by nearly 1,000 quality checks. The pillow features a removable and washable cover, crafted from breathable cotton with an interwoven polyester layer for added softness and reduced noise, promoting hygienic and comfortable rest. A unique one-click valve allows rapid inflation in just a few breaths and swift deflation when needed. Adjustable firmness and enhanced pillow height provide ergonomic support for back or side sleepers, while a detachable elastic strap secures the pillow atop sleeping pads during travel. Ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking, this versatile travel accessory helps alleviate back pain while maximizing comfort during long journeys. Enjoy peaceful sleep and truly rejuvenated energy on every adventure. Number 10. Introducing Space Rest Portable Shower for Camping, an innovative outdoor solution that integrates a 5-gallon water jug with a rechargeable shower system. This versatile shower delivers a water flow of 1.1 gallons per minute for efficient rinsing after long days outdoors. 2 removable rechargeable batteries provide up to 100 minutes of continuous use, eliminating power anxiety. Constructed from thickened food-grade PE material, the durable, odor-free water jug is ideal for washing fruits, vegetables, and bathing pets. An exclusive patented sealing design, featuring a silicone waterproof ring and rotary locking system, ensures a leak-proof fit between the jug and shower head, even when inverted or shaken. The shower easily attaches to the bucket and can be separated or combined as needed. A large storage bag ensures hassle-free transport. This integrated design is a must-have for camping, hiking, and any outdoor adventure, combining convenience, unmatched durability, and reliable efficiency in one portable unit.